They know how I'm coming, real bitch in the flesh. Who the fuck she gon' check? She be talking that shit, talking out of her neck. Put blood on her dress. Bitches be mad when they see Cardi step in the spot. Said that you bought it, we know that you not. I'ma pull up on bitches as soon as I drop. Bought a new foreign, I might up a yacht. Bitches in my business, they tryna plot. Hoes poppin' shit like they hot, but they not. Just flirted the wrist, the paddock, the watch. Niggas be flexing, we know what you got. Cardi the hack at the game in the knot. Fuckin' your nigga, I got him on light. Just go bang, bang like I'm chopping them chops. VVS shit, I'm in.
That December Boxycharm Choice opens tomorrow, November 13th, and Boxycharm Premium Choice opens November 18th, next Monday. So stay tuned on social for times.
Hi guys, I'm here with Mel.
Hey Charmers.
So we're still working on the bug or the issue that we had yesterday on our pop-up. It's still on. I'm not having any news right now. I want to make sure that it's all corrected. The only news I have is tomorrow is choice for Boxycharm. Tomorrow at 3 Eastern time. Right, and if you're premium or premium waitlist, or is it premium waitlist?
Yeah, premium choice opens Monday the 18th.
Premium choice opens Monday at 18, exactly. So you're gonna be Monday at 12 Eastern time, and tomorrow at 3. By tomorrow, I will give you all the news. I might give you throughout the day. We might give you throughout the day about Papa, but for now, just let's keep it for tomorrow. We want to make sure that there is not gonna be any bad experience on the site. We're still working on that. It's couple of things you have to upgrade, and that's it. So I'll see you tomorrow at 3 Eastern time for choice
for Boxycharm December.
Exactly. Bye.